So, reporting live from our car. Oh wow, that's really bad. Good morning. It's, I don't know what day. Oh, it's Monday. It's Martin Luther King's Day. We're here in Monterey for a girls' trip. It's so hard to keep it in. Something exciting is happening. We can't share anything, but we're in on it. Anita's not. Obviously. So we're going to have breakfast right now, brunch, whatever it is. And yeah, see where the day takes us. Hey guys, we're in Carmel. Today we are looking around town trying to find some single guys. What? Carmel or caramel? Did I say Carmel? No, oh. I'm asking the crowd. Oh, it's Carmel. Okay. It's Carmel for sure. Okay. There's no question about it. We're just gonna go explore the town, see what's up, and let's do this thing. Do you think I'm funny? You're hilarious. Dying. Me, Anita, behind the camera. Say again? You see me laughing? Well, you don't get my jokes, so that's not my fault. I'm just gonna hear it this time. Yeah. Nothing else? Nothing else? I'm just going downstairs. I'm just looking at that guy because I thought it was The Bachelor. Look, you know Sean? Yeah. And he literally is married to an Asian. To this beautiful view. We can't tell you where because it's in a residence and it's private, but no, it's fine. We're trespassing. We're trespassing. Ooh, so bad. I know. Look at this house. It's not even a gated community, so like it's not even trespassing. Look at this house. It has like windows everywhere, and then this one is so cute. So we got to the next location, and it's Garapata State Park, I think. There's a nice little trail here with the view, so that's where we're going. We love each other. We love each other. I'm not even joking. Why are there lanterns? Here we go. You guys are joking. What?
What I see the future bring to you and me one day. Hold on to this day and keep inside your heart such faith. We'll walk along the path God made.
Yeah, you're rock. Will you marry me? Yes?
Of course.
And I can't profess that I understand it, but I see me holding your hand. Here we are, we found the day like we'd always prayed.